Hello and welcome to this film produced by Team Conjet on the topic of maintenance. Maintenance is a vital part of the lifetime for the robot due to the harsh environment that the robot is working in. The steps you need to take to ensure proper maintenance are few but crucial. In addition to the time you spend on daily and weekly maintenance, the monthly maintenance adds to the prolonged lifetime of your robot and in the end minimizing downtime on site. Use the display to view the maintenance points. You can find all the information you need regarding maintenance in the operator's manual. The manual is also available through the robot's display. When performing the monthly maintenance, start by completing the weekly and daily maintenance. Fill these inner grease points with caution. Stop filling when you feel the slightest resistance to avoid pushing out the seals from the rotator.